I'll show you how you can get free shipping on DHgate. And the most simplest way is that, for example, if you want to search up something like shoes, for example, you want to search up shoes. Now, when you search up shoes, you want to go ahead and just wait for this to load. Once it loaded, you want to go ahead and go to this bar here or this box, and you just want to go ahead and check it like this. So it'll only show product with free shipping. Now, when you buy any of these products, you'll get free shipping. But make sure that your region here is set correctly as well, right? So if you are in the United States, make sure it's on the United States here as well. Now, when you buy any of these, it'll be free shipping. You can see it'll be free shipping, free shipping, free shipping as well. If, for example, you want to buy this, it'll be free shipping, completely free as well. So you can see this is what it will look like, free shipping again. So no, you can see shipping costs, it'll be free. So no shipping costs whatsoever. It'll be from a seller defined STT logic as well. But if you don't want to do it from the in-game menu here, you can also go to coupon follow here as well. Sometimes they do have free shipping codes here, but right now I don't think there's any. So you can see to check this coupon follow website pretty often as well, because sometimes they do have a free shipping code, but as of now they don't have any yet. So right now all you have to do is that check this box, free shipping, to get all of the products here with free shipping on DHgate.